our changing Earth. Lithospheric plates. Lithosphere is broken into plates. These plates move only a few millimeters a year because of molten magma's movement. Molten magma moves in a circular manner. Movement of these plates cause changes on Earth. Earth's movements are divided as endogenic and exogenic. Endogenic forces. The forces that work in the interior of the Earth are known as endogenic forces. Example, volcanic eruption, earthquakes and landslides. Volcanic eruption. It is a vent in Earth's crust. Erupts magma. When lithospheric plates move, the Earth vibrates. The vibrations travel all around the world. Vibrations are earthquakes. Place where movement starts is the focus. Place above the focus is epicenter. The greatest damage is at the epicenter. Into exogenic forces. The forces that work in the exterior of the earth are known as exogenic forces. Example, sea waves, rivers, glaciers. Landforms. Landscape worn away by weathering and erosion. Weathering is breaking up of rocks, erosion, wearing away of land and water by wind. Substance is transported and deposited. These processes forms landforms. Meanders and its effects. River on entering plain twists and turns, forming large bends known as meanders. Due to continuous erosion and deposition, ends start to cut off. In due course of time, it cuts off and forms another river known as an oxbow lake. At times, river overflows, leading to flooding and deposits layers of sediments and leads to formation of fertile floodplains. These raised banks form levees. As river approaches sea, speed decreases and breaks up to distributaries. Each distributary deposits its own load. Collection from all distributaries is a delta. Work of sea waves. Sea waves strike at rocks and cracks develop on the rocks. Hollow lake caves are formed and these are known as sea waves. When these cracks become bigger on the roofs, they form sea arches. Erosion breaks roofs and only walls are left, known as stacks. Rocky coast rising above sea cliff is sea cliff. Sea waves deposit sediments along shores forming beaches. Work of ice. Glaciers are rivers of ice. Ice erodes landscape. Glaciers carve deep hollows at eroded places. When they melt, water fills beautiful lakes. Material carried is deposited. Deposits form large glacier moraines. Work of wind. Active agent of erosion and deposition in desert is wind. Rocks with the shape of mushrooms are known as mushroom rocks. Winds erode lower section of rock. They have narrower base and wider top. They form mushroom rocks. Wind blows and the sand Wind blows the sand and when the wind stops, it falls to form low hill-like structures. When such sand is deposited in large area, it forms losses. Large deposits are found in China. Thank you.